This is one of the most common algebraic fraction mistakes students make in exams. Let's see if you can solve it correctly before I do. Pause the video and try it first. Many students look at this and immediately cancel the s squared with x. That is wrong. You cannot cancel terms unless they are factors. In algebraic fractions, the first step is always to factorize before you simplify. So what we do is to factorize the numerator. We have s squared minus 9. And to factorize this is same as saying s squared minus 9 becomes 3 squared. This is called the difference of two squares. And if you remember, difference of two squares is equal to x minus 3 in brackets times open bracket s plus 3. So difference of two squares becomes open brackets x minus 3, okay, then open bracket x plus 3. So this is how we factorize our numerator. So therefore, we have s squared minus 9 becomes x minus 3 x plus 3 over x minus 3. Next step, we cancel out common factors. So x minus 3 cancel out x minus 3. So our answer is x plus 3. But wait, this is where many students still lose marks. You must state the restrictions. X must not be equal to 3 because the denominator cannot be 0. So you have to state these restrictions. So the correct answer is s plus 3, but only when x is not equal to 3. So, did you factor first or did you try to cancel immediately? Comment factor first if you got it right. Subscribe to Basic EdTech for weekly problem of the week challenges. See you in our next video.